everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make tom yum noodle soup. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make tom yum noodle soup. So easy. This wonton noodle you can buy it Thai market, Asian market, it's $2.99 right here. So you can make tom yum of this noodle soup. Okay, I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna first start. Let's go, follow me. Okay, first I have 2 buns of this. If you're very hungry, you get 2 buns. If you're not very hungry, you get only 1. So I'm gonna get 2 in case I want to eat some more. So this is wonton noodle soup. All you have to do is loose it out like that. Okay, loose it out. This noodle, egg noodle, is so good. Okay, guys. Okay, I have to wait for the water boiling first. Now I boil the water. Let them boil first before I put the noodle in there. Come back another 5 minutes. Okay, now the water boiling yet already. So when the water boiling, you go ahead and drop this egg noodle here. Okay. So be careful when you put it there. Lower the heat down and stir right away. When you put the noodle out, stir right away. I put the heat down a little bit because I don't want it to blow up. Look at this. Yum, right? It's egg noodle. I say boil for 2 minutes. Don't go for too long. 2 minutes only. Okay, this 2 minutes. You don't want to cook too long. Okay, egg noodle 2 minutes only done. Alright, let's go clean up. Okay, 2 minutes done. Drain out. See that? Put cold water right away. Because you don't want to cook overcooked noodle. And when you cook like 2 minutes, that's perfect right there. And pour water in here. Clean very well. Pour now. Alright. Done. Yes. This noodle done. Look at this. Good noodle, egg noodle. You can eat this by themselves. It's so delicious. Very good. Okay. Let's go make soup. Okay, to make soup, go ahead, put the water. I will say 24 hours, okay? I like a lot of soup in my soup. Go ahead, let me boil. Okay, here guys, my ingredient, my tom yum soup. This first very important thing, tom yum soup, you gotta have tom yum paste right here. This tom yum paste, okay? You can buy at Thailand market. This is roasted hot pepper, and pearl paste, okay? Chicken broth, sugar, fish sauce. That's all you need. It might be look like a lot ingredient to you, but that's not a lot because in my household, I gotta have all these ingredients always full time. So let's go fix the soup right now. Okay, chicken broth powder. Go ahead. Put it in the pot right here. 1 spoon. Okay, I'm gonna put sugar. Sugar just this much, okay? Less than a spoon. Tom yum paste. This is a tom yum paste. You can make tom yum paste with any kind of meat you like, seafood. Okay, I'm gonna put 1 spoon tom yum paste. Okay. This is roast pepper, hot pepper roasted. Just put about this much. Okay. It's sticky. Okay, this is pearl paste, beef paste. This fish sauce. 2 spoons. 1 spoon first. It's not enough. Always add on. Okay, now everything in. Now have to taste. Okay. Have to taste. You make the taste the way you want it. That's why I need more sugar. But I say make the taste the way you want it. I want a little bit sweet and sour. I add on sugar, when you fix the taste already the way you want it, I have the chicken, so I'm gonna make tom yum chicken egg noodle soup today. Okay, the chicken, put it down. I don't like a lot of meat, just have flavor. If you like seafood, put seafood in there. You like pork, put pork. You like meat, put meat. So I have chicken available today. So good. This is perfect tom yum. Okay, remember I showed you early noodle cooking? So go ahead, put in the bowl, get ready. So easy to make tom yum noodle, guys. That's the way I show you. I'm gonna go ahead and take a half. Yep, that's perfect right there. And I left half and eat later. Or you serve it to people. Or if you're hungry, you always using all this. Alright. So my ingredient gonna be beans sprout. Okay. Beans sprout. Love beans sprout. You always have to have beans sprout. If you don't like beans sprout, you can use vegetable. Okay. Beans sprout. Right. Just waiting for the soup hot now. Then the soup boiling and ready to go. Okay. This is garlic stir fry. I make that earlier. Put in a bowl right here. I love garlic. Okay. Fried garlic. Okay. This is hot chili sauce. So I make this. Okay, now the soup already boiling. Go ahead, put in there. How easy is it, guys? Very easy. Okay, very easy. Just go ahead, do it. Get rid of the chicken. I don't really like a lot of meat. Okay, rid of the chicken only. There. How about that? And then now the spring onion. Onion in. Very easy, guys. If you follow me, you can eat tom yum noodle soup in your at home in no time. And this is fried garlic. Always use fried garlic. So fried garlic is so good. There you have it. Simple, easy tom yum noodle soup chicken. Cook at home, eat at home, enjoy at home. Family, healthy, good food, guys. Go ahead, try to do it. And I'm gonna go share with you in a minute. Please, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and I can show you more. If you have any questions, just ask me what kind, where you buy, what kind of noodles, this and that. You always can ask me. I'm gonna show you how. Okay? There you have it. Thank you, guys.